Hey guys, it's the GM Twins and the kitchen is having for more fun stuff. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check on our other videos. Today we're learning how to make homemade wafers at home. The ingredients needed are 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of colorings, 4 egg whites, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of confectionery sugar, powdered sugar, and 8 spoonfuls of melted butter. Cooled melted butter, don't forget that is just 1 cup of flour. So you need 2 bowls for this. Yeah, so hard. So divide 1 cup of flour into 2 bowls. You can decide to do this in 1 bowl if you would not be using the coloring. Yeah, so that is half cup of flour in a bowl and another half cup of flour in the second bowl as well. So the other half in the second bowl as well. So that is 1 cup of powdered sugar. So divide it into 2 equal parts and divide it into each bowl. That is half cup of powdered sugar on this bowl and half cup of powdered sugar in the other bowl. So mix it together. Mix it thoroughly together. This is very important. So after mixing, take the cooled melted butter and add 4 spoons of that in a bowl. In the first bowl, then 4 spoonfuls of melted butter in the other bowl. So that is 4 spoonfuls. Add the other 4 spoonfuls in the other bowl. Yeah, so we have that in each bowl. So the egg white, I removed the yolk, just the egg white remaining. So divide that into 2 equal parts as well. So half teaspoon of vanilla extract in each bowl as well. So after this, mix thoroughly together. Mix thoroughly. This is so important. It needs to come together. Mix thoroughly together. And it looks like a pancake batter. Soft and light. And yes, sometimes you might find it difficult with the mixing or the liquid isn't enough. If you find that you were not accurate with the measurement, then you can add the egg. Remember, we kept some eggs aside. Yeah, you can just take some liquid from that and add it and mix it together to make it soft. Yeah, this is in case your batter isn't light. Yeah, so you use the egg that was set aside, just like 2 tablespoons of that, then mix it together. So the 2 bowl is mixed together and light, so you can see that. So separate the cocoa powder from the coloring. That is 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. So add the coloring to 1 bowl. Yeah, to 1 bowl of the mixed mixture, just 1 bowl, and coloring is optional. So if you don't want to use coloring, then make everything together in the bowl. Yeah, this is just for more colors, more fun. Yeah, so mix it until the color comes together, and you can use the colors of your choice. So go creative with colors. Yeah. And so it's use purple, yeah, because it kind of has that look, that royal look, and I love it in my bakings. So use the color of your choice. Look at that, look at that, look at that. There we go. So now get ready your baking pan and put your baking paper in it, or parchment paper. Yeah. While that is getting ready, remember the cocoa powder. Add 2 tablespoons of this butter in it. Add 2 tablespoons of this butter in it. Yeah. And mix it together. Mix it together. Can add more butter in that if it's like too thick for you. Yeah, so mix it together. Mix it, mix it, mix it. So you can remove like lumps from it. Yeah. Pan. Yes. With a spoon, spread it out on your parchment paper. And if you want it to be thick or light, depends on how you want yours to be, like a drop cookie. So yours might be light and yours might be thick like mine. Yeah, so depending on how many your pan can take, yeah, or how light or thin you want your wafers to be. I kind of prefer my thicker, but some prefer like a lighter kind of crispier. So depending on how you want yours, so spread it on the pan, and please give space so that it doesn't spread with the other one. Give space, don't put it together. Yeah, so that when it's in the oven, it doesn't join with the other. So look at that, yeah. Spread it out. Yeah, the cocoa powder, yeah, mixed one. Get a piping bag. You can either use a plastic piping bag or the other kind. Then any kind of design you want on your batter, any kind of design. Yeah, it could be a zebra design, X design, circle design, any kind of design you would love on your batter. Do that. Yeah, so I've designed it just like that. So preheat the oven for like 2 minutes and put the batter into it, and it bakes for about 7 to 10 minutes depending on how thick it is or on your kind of oven. So please know your oven to prevent burnt. So you kind of know if it's done if the edges, can you see that it's done? If the edges is like turning brown and you can feel it out, it's thick enough, then you bring it out between 7 to 10 minutes. Yeah, not more than this. So we did it as usual. We made our homemade wafers at home. So enjoy this with ice cream or your favorite. So we're going to design it. So I decided to use the design. You can use a different design, but this is my own way of designing it. So for the glazing, I added 2 spoonfuls of butter. I melted it in a pan, and I added 1 full spoon of cocoa powder and 1 spoonful of sugar. Then mix together. Then when it's like getting smaller, like about 1 to 2 minutes, then turn it off, cool it, then pour it on your wafers. So actually this glazing is your choice, yeah, whatever you choose to glaze yours with, and you can also glaze it with fruit as well, so just to have the perfect wafer. So enjoy with ice cream or other drinks. Yeah, it's perfect for anything. Yeah, it's perfect for anything. Just look at how beautiful this looks. So you can make classy things at home. Yeah, so easy, less ingredient, but you still get the best. So make sure you try this at home. Share with those around you, your family, and comment below. Tell me how it went. If you did it, yeah, if you tried it at home, comment below. And if you have questions as well, I'm here to answer it all. So bring the best of classy recipes to you through baking and photography skills, so for you to get the best. So check out our other videos on how to make a whole lot of wonderful recipes. Yeah, make sure to try this at home as well. It's fun making, super fun making. I love it. You will love it as well. Yes, it's done. It looks just like this if you cut it that way. Multicolored wafer. Yeah, this is kind of different because it does 2 colors. Yeah, 2 colors. Yeah, or 3 colors. Yeah, this white, this brown, and this purple. So reimagine your colorings. Yeah, as I told you. So you want to enjoy yourself with this recipe. So the pictures taken from the batter. So the egg, I rather fried it. Remember the left over eggs. So this is it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. So have a nice day, guys. And I'm full of hope. Thank you, guys.